Okay, this is the next part of the tour. Where do we now go to? The Hotel 3. Anyway, back with these lists. Now we just get to it. No. Nope, Dad. No, to the street, no. We have to get... And not to the service lift. No. But how... No, Dad. I don't want to go straight to the ground. Can we go to the lobby of this hotel? Can we go to the lobby of this hotel? Please, Dad. It's a favor. Can we go? And I could release. Is present right now. This lift only says basement level 1. And we just arrived to the basement level 1. Which is also a floor with the service lift of Hotel 4 served. Yuck. It smells like garbage. It is very vandalized. This looks like fire. But next time we come into this hotel, we will film the lives in Hotel 3. Hey, you forgot something. The ticket. Okay. And also, Dad, next time we come here, can we film the lives in Hotel 3? I mean, the film the lives in Hotel 3. I just directly come down here on the service lift of the Hotel 4. Come down here directly on the service lift of the Hotel 4.
The Hotel 3 or 4?
And also we can film the service lift in Hotel 3.
The 3?
Yes, we can.
No.
Next day, okay? Dad, but this escalator is going down, very rare. This escalator is out of service, very bad. So, that will be the end of this tour. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe. And also, this is my first time filming the service lift at the Hotel 4.